new Bea-Scopic universal post-op knee brace from Beagle Orthopaedic is easy to apply and adjust, providing a simple and versatile knee bracing solution. No tools are required to adjust the length due to the snap-lock telescopic function, and with its adjustable straps, the brace will fit a wide variety of patients. Unclip the buckles to detach the straps and open out the brace. To alter the size of the brace, pull the brace apart and feed the straps through to extend the width of the brace. Once the correct size is being achieved, remove the tabs to secure the hook and loop. Place the patient's leg in the centre of the brace with the hinges aligned to the centre of the knee. Secure the two closest straps above and below the knee and tighten through the buckles. Extend the hinge arms to the desired position and lock the snap clips. Ensure the hinges are in the correct position and lock the strap clips and trim any excess. Repeat this with the two remaining straps. The hinge can be locked by sliding the quick lock switch into the lock setting at any one of the four positions between 0 and 45 degrees flexion. The Flexion Limit settings can be selected between -10 and 120 degrees by sliding the tab to the desired position. The extension limit setting can be selected between -10 degrees for hyperextension and 70 degrees by pushing and sliding the tab to the desired position.